Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to wish for your LLB examinations, 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB students. They are going to write examination day after tomorrow. So, in this moment, what are all the main tips I am going to tell today? So, final tips, what we can say. Along with this, I would like to wish you all students, everybody is to get pass. My intention is to everybody to be get pass in LLB examinations under Karnataka State Law University Hubli. So in this moment, please don't take tension. First tip is don't take tension. Be always peacefully like me. If you're going to fail, nothing will going to happen. We can get past. If you take tension, your health status will be loose, your mental tensions and all it will be more, and that may leads to BP, diabetes, etc., etc., etc. So don't bother. Whichever you have time, please make it useful. Like time management is precious now. Please manage the time very effectively. So please take proper rest, at least minimum 7 to 8 hours sleep is required. Please don't study like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock like that. Don't do it. Please be sleep early and get up early in the morning. So if you get up early in the morning, you can able to speak very nicely and peacefully. Whichever you study, definitely that will be get into your mind. So this is my good tips for you all. And whichever I have published in this in my YouTube channels, very important questions. Please go through that important questions, and I hope you already made it. That answers like key points and all you have made it. Please go through thoroughly of those questions of your own key points. Then in examination day, please be go early, 5 minutes early, okay, and please study questions properly and understand the questions properly. Without understanding the questions, you cannot able to make answers. And whichever you know very well, please choose that question. First preference you should give that. If you would like to write, at least I have already given much materials, means like much subjects I have been given earlier videos. You can go through each and time. I should not tell what to do, what not to do. So many of the videos have been given. Please make it use of it. And finally, I would like to say all the best for your exams, and please treat all units, means all questions on priority. Means if you know, you write more, don't do that. If you don't know, write less, don't do that. Equal opportunity to given for all questions. Whichever I told, the time management is very important in examination. Without time management, you cannot able to pass it, and you cannot able to make more scores. So more score you cannot able to do it. So that is the reason today I am here with to speak time management in examination. 3 hours you will have a time. Please make use of it. For all question, please attend. Don't leave even single question, like 6 marks question also don't leave. You have to attend it. If you don't know also, please write at least your own, at least that subject, at least you might be knowing that you have to mention. Please don't leave. If you leave, you will lose your marks. So as I advised earlier videos, how to write, and how many pages to be write, and what are all the points to be write, and what are all the case laws illustrations to be write, that and all I have explained. I need not explain again and again. So Please give priority for all questions. Don't leave even single question. Don't leave. Try to manage and try to write within 3 hours. You complete all the questions without fail. And please don't forget to underline key points, underline case laws, underline section, subsection articles. Please uh, make use of it and try to take like 3 to 4 pens. Try to take, and one for gel pen and one for writing ball pen. If you would like to write in black pen, you take ballpoint pen two or three and one gel pen to underline it, and you take scale also. To one completed one question means you have to make it line, so that the evaluator will come to know that end of each questions, so they will not be get any confused with what is the question where that ends that and all. Anyhow, you are writing my all points, like introduction, points, section, subsection, articles, illustrations, case class, conclusion, everything. I hope my videos are very very helpful to score your examinations of LLB. Definitely, if you follow my tips, definitely we are going to pass and you will get more marks. I'm waiting for the results. uh, very much eagerly to awaiting your results after completion of your examinations, because curiosity for my side is more rather than yours. Uh, all the very best. Do well for your examinations. For any kind of help, you can call me at any time. Please make it use of it, my videos, and please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will get notifications of new videos related to LLB motivation and human resource management. So please uh, do subscribe my channel, as well as please forward as much as possible my videos to others, so that they can get benefited from my videos. Thank you for watching. Once again, I wish you all the very best for 3 year and 5 year LLP students. Thank you.